Mhm. Yeah.
Right.
Are y'all playing it together this time, or is it just you? Speedrun. I'm guessing you're bored. I'm guessing you were bored, so you decided to do this? Or do you enjoy the game? The game is hard as shit. I said that game is hard as shit. Does it even give you a tutorial? But mainly it's trial and error learning. That's what it seemed like when I played it. Really enjoy what? Sorry, I'm getting that loud. It probably makes it more fun that, like, you did figure it out. Does that make sense? Like, because you know a lot of people quit, and you're just like, well, I figured it out. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like this too hard? Hold on, let me dive back in. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's such a, like, an original game too. Like I've never seen a game that felt like it. All right. Alexa, hang up. Okay. I'm getting my third incarnate weapon. Oh yeah. I don't understand. With only a melee equipment equipped, I don't have another melee? No. I do, because I brought in the wrong build. There's these like actually insane weapons called incarnate weapons, which they took like I really like what they did. They took the shittiest, actually like the worst weapons in the game, and then they gave them like this, yeah, this spectral form is really what it is, and so and they gave them little buffs because they were like, the weapons are there and no one uses them, so they took this. Yeah, the ones I have, they took like this like terrible slug launcher and made it into like this thing that once it evolves, it does this toxic beam that spreads to enemies, and now it's actually the best weapon in the game. Then there's this. Yeah, if you want to clear shit quickly, AoE is probably the best. Uh-huh. Did what? $72 hours plus the 12 for the parts. It's ridiculous. That's actually the worst part about the game, but it's the only way they can keep their market intact. What? Hold on. Yeah, okay. Let me turn you up. Yeah, you make them pay money for the speed up, but the best thing is the fact that all the platinum you can earn, because things have worth. Well, not necessarily you can earn it. It's all still you have to buy it, but it's very easy to get it. So all the platinum, it's like the dollar bill. You have to trade something for it. So there's literally a market that has like inflation on platinum and shit based off the amount of platinum that's out in the game. And what they do, the biggest thing they do to get to lower inflation, just like burning money, they allow you to send it back to the game to speed shit up. So that's why it's so exactly, and it's been the perfect balance, and it's expensive, but but I mean, I have like right now I only have 23 platinum because I've been like building so much shit. But they give you 50 to start with that you can't trade, so it's just to buy something nice. You can just get yourself a suit. I'd say like, oh, like for buying it, I think like, let me look real quick. 75 platinum is $5, 170 platinum's $10, 370's $20. So yeah. Yes, if you buy it, it's tradable, and that's what keeps it in the market. But I mean, I earn it. Like, you can go and get prime parts and earn them, and then people will buy them off you. Exactly. So you earn it from other people. I've bought platinum one time in this game, and it was a $20 gift card. But I rarely ever struggle on platinum unless it's for something that, you know, like one of the really broken things that's worth like 1,000 platinum. Yeah. Then those are the ones that I'm like, well, pricey, so I just stay away. And then, but I mean, they're not even stuff like that. Unless it's something that's been vaulted for like years, they're not necessarily that hard to get. You just have to grind for it. It's a crazy grind. It really is. Yeah, it really is like a wild grind. But if you enjoy a grindy game, then it's good. If you don't enjoy a grindy game, then don't play, because you're not gonna have fun. What do you mean? Numbers. Big numbers. Big numbers, lots of numbers. Uh, yeah. I'm not eating! There's these funny things in this game. They're called Kuva Liches, and they're like these like really strong enemies that you have to do a shit ton to kill them and take their weapon. Yeah, that's the whole thing about them. Or you can convert them onto your team, and then they fight for you. They're basically slaves if you do that, and then you can trade them like slaves. Oh, you wouldn't have gotten to that point. I don't even know if it was a thing. Let's see. I'm gonna look at a Nami solo build. Nah, dude, big numbers is so sexy. Nah. Any arcane, any frame, Nami solo melee. Oh yeah, the way it looks is so like addicting. Yeah, that's really cool, dude. And I like the way the character interacts with the map, if that makes sense. Yeah. Exactly. $105,000 Indo, holy fuck. Alright, I'm gonna do the even critical status chance, because they're low field. Ooh, no, for 25%. I'm gonna give it all. Great. Oh, I need to max it out. What am I doing? On my suckalage. Dude, like this fucking build, this Vauban build is so nasty. The one that just sucks everything in. The hollow purple? Yeah, dude. It's so fun. It's probably the... What? Yeah, that one was gnarly. And I heard it like through like your game, like your mic glitching out too. Is the audio of your headset fine? Why don't you just get like a standing mic? Or if TJ's not going to use his, ask. If talk to TJ, if he doesn't like his standing mic that I gave him, you can take it. No, he uses his headset, but I also gave him a standing mic, but I think he's been just using the headset recently. Just talk to him about it and ask him if he still wants it. I mean, if he doesn't, there's no reason for him to keep it. I fucking hate buying headsets, dude. That's why I bought a really nice one, and I bought a... Exactly. But the biggest thing is that gaming headsets, because they have so much going on, tend to fall apart faster. That's why I got I think it's still Steel Series, but I've never once turned on the microphone. I don't even know how it works. I just keep it in I just keep the mic put away and I just use them as headphones. Oh wait, no, I don't have I don't have them anymore. I bought a pair of Sony headphones. I forgot. Yeah, those the fucking Steel Series ones broke. They started glitching the fuck out. But I bought a pair. Yeah, they're these Sony headphones. They're about $60, and they're probably the best headphones I've ever had in my life. Quality and gaming. They can connect to my phone and my computer. And they have like their own app and shit. Yeah, I mean, an audio matters, dude. But smart. I got these. They last. I haven't charged them in like 3 days. They're still at 60%. No, these are honestly the best headphones I've ever had in my life. And I just have I have a Blue Yeti microphone. They're just they're what are they called? Studio microphones. So yeah, they're really good quality. I mean, this one, if I actually use it right, like I'm really far away from it and shit. If I get up on it and like talk like this, it has like a really good quality. If I'm like talking, I'm just lazy as shit, and I don't want it right in front of my face. But no, they're really good mics. But this one's old enough. It still has, I think it's called like mini USB. It's like the one that the PS3 controllers plug in. Do you have one of those? Do you know do you have a PlayStation 3 or no? Okay, never mind. Okay, so do you know the old Samsung chargers? Okay, that's micro USB, and it's one older than that. It still plugs in with that type of cord. And it's this good. I mean, there's ones that are way better than this. Yeah, I mean, it never goes, and you can buy them. I mean, they still sell the cords. The Walmart sold a good pack of them. That's where I got this one from, actually, because I broke the cord. I got pissed. Well, I didn't even hit it. Like, I hit my desk, and it knocked the mic over, and it's a heavy mic. I mean, it's screwed into the stand, so you can't really get around. It's not gonna fall off. So I got cucked, and it fucking. Well, no, it fell off the desk. It's not screwed into the desk. It's screwed in. Oh, I just muted it. It's screwed into a mount that it sits in. So I knocked the mount off, but it's so heavy that it actually just... Oh, no, I did. It was during my Brawlhalla phase. I got pissed. Actually, the mic that TJ has, I got pissed and I ripped it out of the desk and it like broke a hole in my desk. Cause it mounts in and it clamps on. But I had it clamped on tight. And so I got pissed and I ripped it off and it just took a bite out of my desk. It was funny. Oh my god. Those are dangerous, dude. I can never. I don't really throw controllers, but I am a candidate. I slam my desk bang. I do that shit all the time. So yeah, I mean, I'm bad about that. Slap the fuck out my desk. Yeah. Oh shit. Mm-hmm. Alright, I am down to three fucking shit. Can't remember the name. I'm down to 3 platinum. My girlfriend's crazy. She's trying to get me to sneak out tonight. The worst thing is I'm feeling like doing it too. Because my mom's not home. It's just pitch black. Oh my god, dude. Where the hell are all the enemies? They just come after you? Dude, have you seen... There's this horror game, and it hold on, I'm trying to focus. There's this horror game where you play with people and it's like this AI-based stalker that comes after you and adapts to your every move. And so it learns about your play style and how close you guys to if one person strays too far often, it learns that and it picks it up. And it next time they stray off from the group, it'll just pick them off silently. I need to remember what it's called because it was a really good game concept. I remember. It's all coming back to me. Will it drown you down there? Oh, it'll kill you quick then. This is actually the worst group of people I've ever played with. Oh my god. Yeah, like I'm literally doing this by myself. They... Uh-huh. Uh-huh. She also bad as shit, but yeah. 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 Oh my god. Fucking sounds like it. Look at these 3 morons! Sorry, what? Yeah. I like that they added the password thing. I don't know if they have it in other Dark Souls or summoning, but like where you can set your matchmaking password. So in the real game, when there wasn't seamless co-op, you could summon each other, and you would only show the summoning signs that were linked to that password. Yeah. Group passwords. Mm-hmm. I didn't know that. That's really cool. Probably just use some like random group name that like a million people are in. That's crazy. Yeah. And they just leave that group password on. It's probably why he did it, to be honest. Oh, yeah. my god, this melee weapon's crazy. And I don't even have it upgraded.
Oh. What? Damn, dude.
Dude, I took a nap earlier at like noon. I didn't wake up till like 1 o'clock. Sorry. I didn't wake up till 5 o'clock. Not 1. And my brother woke me up too. Oh, that was good. That was good throat clear.
I can give you a good throat clear. Kill everybody in your family. You should be saying that. Yes.
TJ,
What?
you know how I had that incarnate weapon? I am now in possession of a full loadout of incarnate weapons. Oh my god, dude. They're so good, it's like addicting.
I'll be back.
Huh?
I'm gonna grab some food.
The fuck?
Then what should
That's what he always says. Where the hell is Gladiator? What? I can search. What am I doing?
Get up the emergency for good night.
Dude, he cracks me up so much. There's you know the ship Cephalon? You played a little bit. Do you remember him? Gavin, I'm talking to you. I think I kind of forgot, that's why I told you I was talking. Do you remember the ship Cephalon? His name is Ortis. Warframe, the little blue thing that was your ship AI, basically. You walked into it. Oh, what? They gave him, after like actually years of this game being a thing, they finally gave him new voice lines. They're hilarious, dude. They gave, like, there was one where he was like, operator, I'm picking up a distress signal, but it's just like the Corpus like trying to sell shit on the emergency line. And he's like, get off the emergency frequency! He's fucking screaming, dude. He's like, oh no, it's just the Corpus peddling their wares again. And he's like, so he's glitched. That's the biggest thing about him. He's glitched out, so he like his personality is glitched out after the big war. And so he was like, He's like, oh, it's just the corpus peddling their wares again. He glitches out.
Get off the emergency frequency.
Just flip shit, dude. It was so funny. Like the very first thing, the thing that Vor had on you that controlled you, or tried to. I'm not using incarnate mode. That makes sense. Dude, I swear it pisses me off so much. These people have no idea about affinity range being a fucking thing. So like they're all the way on the other side of the map killing shit. No one else but them is getting XP. So but I'm gonna like go halfway across the map just to get XP. And everyone should just sit in the middle. Everyone gets the same amount of XP. And stop temporarily disabling my ability to recover. No. No, I'm yelling at the Cephalon. He's pissing me off because if you're, he had like one of the Cephalons in the game has this thing called the Sanctuary, where you can just go and kill shit, and it's the best thing for XP. But because the whole thing is supposed to be about him like getting data and shit like that about the enemies, because that's why he wants you to go through the synthesis. If you use the same ability over and over and over, and you do it too fast, he's like, I've temporarily disabled that ability because you're skewing my data. And I'm like, yeah, fuck you. It's supposed to keep people from just spamming an ability, but all you have to do is put ability efficiency on, and then you can just spam it, but slower. Because then it just lasts longer. Oh yeah, the biggest thing is you have to bring a build in. You have to either be built for the Sanctuary or just fight and have a disadvantage. But this motherfucker is built for the Sanctuary, dude. What the fuck? How did he get Solar Eclipse back up to 750? What?